Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make chicken tenders. You also can call it chicken fingers or chicken strips. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this Cripsy delicious chicken tender, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, and you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. And all my ingredients and measurements will also be in the description box down below. And if anyone would like to support my channel, I will leave that link in the description box down below as well. Alright guys, I don't have a cameraman anymore because normally my son helped me to video, so I'm doing it myself now, so forgive me if the video is a little too shaky. Okay, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Cripsy delicious chicken tenders. Enjoy. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my chicken tender, or you can say chicken strips. So I have some chicken strip here. I cut it up this way, and over here I have some milk, white vinegar, egg. Over here we have some paprika, chili powder, black pepper and all-purpose seasoning. Over here we have some onion powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, and here we have some mustard hot sauce and some green seasoning. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do, you have our milk here. You're gonna put in your white vinegar, and you're gonna stir it up, and it's gonna turn buttermilk. You're gonna let this rest for about a minute or so. You see it already turned the buttermilk. Perfect. So we're going to season up our buttermilk now. So we're gonna put in our onion powder, garlic powder and chicken seasoning. We're also gonna put in our chili powder, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning. We're also going to put in our green seasoning and our mustard hot sauce. And we're going to put in our 1 egg. Guys, I don't have a cameraman. My son used to help me, but he's not here, so I have to be doing this all by myself. So forgive me. So you're going to mix up everything here. Just like this. And you're gonna put in your chicken to marinate. You can leave this to marinate overnight, or you can leave it to marinate for about an hour. Okay, I'm gonna let it marinate for about an hour. Then I'm gonna put a plastic wrap over it and put it in the fridge to marinate more. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been 3 hours since my chicken has been marinated into the buttermilk. So over here we have some all-purpose seasoning, chili powder, black pepper and onion powder. Over here we have our flour. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna season up your flour. Okay guys, so you're gonna put all of these ingredients now into the flour. So you're seasoning up your flour, and you're gonna take your spoon and mix it up just like this. I already have my oil hotting on the pan there. Good. So when you finish season up your flour, you're gonna take out 1 strip at a time, and then you're gonna put it over into your flour, and you're gonna make sure all over get the flour. Guys, I have to use one hand to video, one hand to see flour the chicken. Okay guys, so this already coated enough. So then you can put the chicken strip over here. Then you can take another one, and then you're gonna put it into the flour again, and then you're gonna make sure that all of the chicken is coated into the flour. Okay guys, Perfect. Just like this, and then you're gonna put it over into the plate. So you're gonna do another one here. Put it into the flour here. Make sure everything coated. Just like this. And you're gonna do the other side. Perfect. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera, and we'll be back when you're ready to fry it. So guys, I'm gonna test my oil and see if it's hot. I'm gonna take a little flour. Okay, my oil is hot because the flour is bubbling up there. So I'm gonna take my chicken tenders and put it into the oil, one by one. I'm gonna put 5 pieces inside and let it fry. Okay guys, so we'll be back. So it has been 3 minutes, so I'm gonna turn my chicken tenders one at a time. Just like this. Alright, and then fry for about another 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll be back. So my chicken tenders finished frying. As you can see, this is how it's looking here. I'm going to take off the excess oil and put it into actually my strainer with a paper towel. Take them out one by one, just like this. And then I'm going to put the second set now to fry. So now guys, I'm going to put the second set in to fry. Put in another 5 pieces. I'm gonna let it fry on each side for about 3 minutes. Okay guys? We'll be back. So I'm turning the second set now. And let it cook for another 3 minutes. Guys, we'll be back and I'll show you guys the end results. So guys, so these are the end results for my chicken tenders, chicken finger, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. So guys, so my chicken tenders are finished. So here they are. Hope you guys can see it properly. So I'm gonna taste one in camera and let you guys see. I'm gonna taste the burn up one. So here it is, guys. It's so crispy. And you guys can see it's very hot. You can see the steam coming out of the chicken tender. Wow. This is a good piece of the chicken tender. Trust me. You guys really need to try this recipe. I'm even tasting the vinegar in it too, and the spiciness. It's really good, guys. Really, really good. Try this recipe. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you guys enjoy this chicken tender. Buttermilk chicken tender. Can't wait to eat the rest of them off camera, of course. Wow, this is a massive recipe, and I had it marinated for about 3 hours. You're tasting all the different flavor, guys. So marinate it for over 3 hours and you get the best results. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up and subscribe. And guys, I'm a one-woman show. I video myself, and I cook. If you do it with one hand, I cook with one hand. Because right now my tripod broke, so just bear with me until I get a tripod, okay guys? And if you reach at the end of the video, thank you so much. And don't forget, please watch my ads. Take care guys, and see you in the next video. Bye. Have a blessed day. Bye.